Alright guys, again, no. Alright guys, today we are gonna be looking at another graph. This is Math Stats, and I hope you guys enjoy my channel so far. Don't forget to like, and of course subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and of course, if you're a new subscriber, put it in the comment section below that says new subscriber. Without further ado, let's get to that next one. I'm gonna say that one's pretty easy. So remember earlier we had the last video I made. We graphed an ordered pair where the equation was y equals to negative x squared plus 1, and we found out it was actually an upside down parabola, like a U-shape type. Now we have another one. Let's say we have this one, y equals to negative 2 absolute value of x. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm thinking every single output or every single ordinate or every single y are gonna be negative except when x is equal to 0. So we have to graph this thing. So we have to graph this when x is equal to negative 3, negative 1, 0, 1, and 3. I'm going to assume, based on my knowledge, that everything here is going to be, every single y value is going to be negative. Negative, but for 0. Let me actually put it better. Everything's going to be negative, but when x equals to 0. So everything will be negative except when x is equal to 0. Let's see if I have the right prediction. So when x equals to negative 3, we have y is equal to negative 2. Okay? So the absolute value of 3 is 3. 3 times negative 2 is equal to negative 6. Okay. Y is equal to 2 times absolute value of negative 1. Actually, that's negative 3, my bad. That's negative 3. Negative 1, absolute value of negative 1 is equal to 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Y is equal to negative 2, absolute value of 0, which is 0 times 2 is 0. Y is equal to negative 2 times absolute value of 1. So absolute value of 1 is going to be 1. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. And absolute value of 3 is going to be 3. 3 times negative 2 is negative 2, which is going to be negative 6. So basically, like I said, I'm pretty sure everything will be negative, but for when x equal to 0. So how does that look? Well, let's see how it's gonna make. Let's see how it's gonna be like. Let me repeat that. We have, let's say this is 3, and this is 1, and this is 1, and this is 3, this is 6, and this is 2, or negative 2, negative 6, this is negative 1, and negative 3, and this is Oh, basically, okay, we don't need that one because everything is going to be negative anyways. So, x equals to -3, right? X equals to -3. If you guys are hearing anything in the background, it's my brother downstairs making noise, which is unnecessary. I don't know why he does that, but forgive him for that. So when x equals to -3, y is equal to -6. So something like right here, that's the first point. X equals to -1, so y is equal to -2. That's the second point. X is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. That's right here. X is equals to 1, y is equal to -2. That's this one right here. X equals to 3, y equals to -6, and that would be this one right here. So what does that look like? Of course, if you know what the absolute value is, it is shaped like a V. So that would be this, and then upside down V. So this would be the absolute value. That's what it would look like. Now, like I mentioned, I already knew it would be negative. Why? Because we have that right here. That negative right here already gave me the answer. If it were positive, then this one would have been flipped upside down. Okay? So this is the thing. Whenever the absolute value has a negative number in front of it, the highest you can get is 0. And whenever it is positive, for instance, here we have -2 times the absolute value of x, the highest you can get is 0. If you were +2, the lowest you could get would be 0. That's how absolute value actually works. So, guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I try to make it as easy as possible. And of course, you probably shouldn't do more exercises. I probably should give you some exercise actually. So before I go, do this exercise. Graph this. Y is equal to -x² plus 4 when x is equal to -3, -1, 0, 1, 4. This is your exercise to do so you can get better at doing it more often. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it, and if you do like it, give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel. And you can also donate via my Cash App and PayPal and Zelle. It's all in the description down below. This is MathStats. Hope to see you guys again. Until then, MathStats out.